Oh, I don't know if we're gonna do this one. Alright guys, we're here live, Street Stance Civic Garage. We're here to try the world's hottest chocolate bar, 9 million Scoville. What we're doing here is we're trying to get 26 more subscribers. You know, it's winter time, so it's kind of hard to bring you guys content, so we're bringing you some hot challenges. So we actually have 6 more hot challenges, and then we're going to retry the Tube of Terror that I actually terribly failed on not too long ago. So we actually have the Little Nitro gummy bear here for another day. We have the Toe of Satan, and then we actually have Fuego's Coco Loco bar. We will be doing this too. So these are all going to be done in the next 7 days. Over the next 7 days. 1 challenge a day. We have the 2.0 White Lightning version of the Fuego box we will be doing. And then we actually have a dried Reaper pepper here. We're going to be eating a dried Reaper pepper. Kind of got crushed in shipping, I think, but it's all there. And then we could do all these. We're going to be retrying the Tube of Terror, guys. We're going to be redoing that. So we're just trying to get 26 more subscribers. This is actually from, you can order this from VAT19, guys. So get this thing out of here. It's actually very little. It's supposed to be very hot though. 9 million Scoville, guys. I'm gonna see if we can do this. Doesn't smell hot. Alright guys, here goes to 26 more subscribers. Let's see if we can get them. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel. Helps my channel grow. Here we go. Pretty hot. Pretty hot, guys. Doesn't taste too bad, but it is pretty hot. See how long we can go without getting something to drink here. I can feel the sweat beating up, guys. So like I said, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share. It's pretty hot. And if you guys want to try this, you can get it at VAT19. Get a little teary-eyed. Whew. So if you guys want to see videos on the Civic, we're waiting for the weather to break so we can paint it. As soon as we paint it, we'll bring you more videos on that. This is actually pretty hot. Whew. Now this is 9 million Scoville. Tomorrow's challenge is going to be the Little Nitro Gummy Bear. It's actually 9 million Scoville too. So we're going to try that tomorrow. So just stay tuned. Whew, it's getting hot though, I can tell you that. making my eyes water. So like I said, please like, subscribe. We'll be bringing you 7 days worth of challenges like this. Whew, that's making me tear up bad. Nose is running. Really feel it in the back of your throat, all the way down. Like I said, anybody else wants to try this, get it at vat19.com. And if you think you can do it, do it. It's very hot though. And it's getting hotter. But I do like their little package. It comes in a real nice little package. Whew. So, if you guys like it, please look at my YouTube channel, Street Stance Civic Garage. Do how-to videos, hot challenges. We're going to be painting the car very, very shortly, probably in the next 3 to 4 weeks. At the end of the month, we have a enduro race coming up. We're actually getting the enduro car ready right now, so just stay tuned for that, guys. And I hope you guys like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.